I haven't done this in a while.
Yeah. Got
Bet.
some sweet fresh pow-pow, baby.
Yeah, some sweet fresh backpack.
Feels like big light for once.
Yeah.
Kieran, did you know that the police carry guns in Canada?
I did know that police carry guns.
Yeah, that's funny how we both know that,
yeah,
isn't it?
I know that because the police bashed down our door yesterday.
Flashbang out!
I mean, wasn't to that extent, but yeah, that's what it felt like.
Yeah.
Full disclosure, someone in our house was taking a bit of wacky-backy and
They went a bit wacky-backy.
they went a bit wacky-backy. I'm pretty sure they weren't even in our house.
No, they weren't.
No, and then, I don't know, we had to call the police and the ambulance, the paramedic, and
Yeah. Army Tomo was there.
Army Tomo came out. Army Tomo, I like Army Tomo.
I like Army Tomo, yeah.
Tomo's like, he pretends to be like, oh yeah, just have a bit of fun, and then he just goes, right,
Yeah.
you over there, you'll go back in your room.
Yeah.
The police are on their way. Mark, Mr. Officer, here's the sit-rep of the situation we currently have. You're going to need 2 flashbangs.
2 flashbangs.
I mean, he came with a gun and 4 magazines.
He had 4 mags on his vest. He's a police officer.
What was he expecting?
Well, he thought he might have to fight his way into Big White Stafford.
And the more I thought about it, it made sense. Let's pretend that it was a shootout. He's got to clear the ground floor. That's a mag.
Yeah.
Stairwell might get away with it. He's got to get through our little place where we park our snowboards.
Yeah. Could be
Then he's got 4 rooms to clear.
Yeah. And then he might have to fight his way back out.
Exactly. And then other people from staff come. He's got to get back to the van.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Jeffrey that stays in the car. Jeffrey, when it's a backup, can you bring the big daddy stick?
Yeah.
I saved this one for close encounters, and then he comes in with shotgun. Yeah.
Jeffrey walks in with a pump action Mossberg, just putting holes in the walls everywhere.
Yeah. Knock knock.
Yeah. He's got flipping. He's got Shad out in the back seat of the flipping police car with the air, just putting rounds through all the windows.
I mean, even though I did nothing wrong, I did feel a bit, oh, this guy could, like, proper mess me up.
Yeah, he could.
Whereas
yeah,
when a police officer in the UK comes, you go, well, he's got a baton. Yeah, he's trained. But, you know, if there was 10 of us...
Yeah, he's also slightly overweight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can outrun him, I think.
Yeah.
Whereas this one here, it's go on. Do you think you could outrun a 9mm?
The best way to compare it is the police in Canada is basically Sergeant Angel from Hot Fuzz, and the police in the UK are
at the end.
The fat dude. Forgot his name.
Yeah, I know him that.
Yeah.
Sergeant Angel at the end where he's riding a horse.
Yeah, that's the Canadian police.
That's how he came into the house.
Yeah, and then the UK police are just sitting there in their car with a Cornell.
What's an exciting evening?